This is a video review by Aries 0083 for the Gundam cast um, of the 1/100 scale non-grade, if there is a term called non-grade, it's not on the box, 1/100 kit of the 00. Yay! First off, I want to say that I wish I would have waited, because the designer versions of the other 4 Gundams came out, of the Caradem, the Ceravi, and the Arios, and they all have light up heads. The 00 designer version has light up GN drives and a light up head. A lot of people, when they first got the kit, they would explain how you do it. I guess Bandai always had it in mind. These second season kits don't have waist articulation, they have upper torso articulation. A lot of people don't like that, but I don't know. I like these kits because to me they seem more toyetic. They look more like toys than the others. I don't know what it is. I think it's the waist, probably because it looks, there's not a gap here or anything. So the way that they're gonna achieve it, the light up heads for the rest of the kits. For the designer version, there's a little light that goes in here. The slot here is for the switch. So you would turn it on and the head would light up. So if you haven't bought any of these kits, wait. You also get, with the 00, you get the GN Sword 3 and the 00 Riser. You'll also get decals for all of them. Fancy decals. So, one of the main features of the 00 is its light up GN drives, which is on the box. It's like, it lights up. So, let me try them out here. Sometimes they like to flicker. The same is true with the Axia's GN drive. That's probably because the casing for the batteries, I didn't glue them shut. I just put them together. This GN drive doesn't want to light up. Let me see. There you go. Great. I hope this is the one Ribbon steals. Alright, here we go. Alright, please awaken. 00. No awakening for me. Well, so let me just go over this feature with the GN drive. The switch is here, and when it lights up, the light comes through these crystals, as you can see here, through this glass part of the drive. Gonna turn off the light. I don't know if you'll be able to see anything. There you go. One thing I'm glad I didn't do, I'm glad I didn't paint it. Usually with the other kits, like the GN drives, I would paint like them green. I thought maybe I had to paint the glass green. What? It's still on? I thought maybe I had to paint the transparent plastic part green, so that when the light turns on it would be green, but the light's green. You don't have to green anything on this thing. Alright. There's no innovation for me. Guess I'd just be a regular human like Graham. That sucks. So, you also get with this kit 2 beam blades with the little circle-y part. It's not a flat peg there. You get 2 beam hilts that attach to the back of the 00 Gundam. Unlike the 1/144 scale kit, these do move up and down. You get 2 extra fists. You get these fists for trigger finger action. The fists that are on the kit are closed. See, they're closed fists. You can't fit anything in there. You get this piece for the base. You also get a growling stomach. You get these GN shields with the GN blades. I didn't know they were GN blades, but it's probably on the box. And you can form a GN shield. Let me see. By just taking this off and then moving it down like that, so that the gray is sticking out here. And then this is cool. Each part of the shield has these little tabs which you stick out like this, and then you plug together. Like that. So that's the GN shield. You can mount them on the forearm because of this peg down back here, like that. Do 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 do. You also get these the GN Sword 2, which look good as swords, but not as good as rifles. These come. So this separates from here, and this comes down, and then you have to remove the blade, and then put it back on like that. 7 minutes in. Let me go over the articulation of the kit. So, as we've already noted, there is no waist articulation. There's upper torso movement, but that's about it. The arms can, because of this joint, they could go up and down, turn all the way around. If it wasn't for this, the elbow bends this much, which is cool. There's a joint here on the wrist, so he could bring his arm up more. And there's also a joint here in addition to the elbow. The GN drives, they're mounted on these in the back. Could turn like that, or go forward, back or forth, up and down, or around here. The head doesn't do the chicken, but it's a cool design because it was made for the lights, for the light up feature. The way the light goes up to the head is because the peg that the head's on is clear plastic. Then the legs can go up like this, and they bend all the way like that. And they also bend like this. side to side. No toe joint. I'm 10 minutes in. Alright, so I know I was going to say something. I didn't paint these green because the other figures have the holographic GN Drive stickers, so it doesn't count. Can't paint them holographic. Alright, I guess that's it. I had something I was going to say. I'll put it in the comments when I remember in the video description. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.